How to appear offline on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily turn off your activity status on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is open up Instagram, and if you don't want your friends to see when you're online, you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. Then you'll be taken over to your settings menu. Now you just have to scroll down a bit and then here find how others can interact with you. Then on the first option you have messages and story replies. Just tap on that. And then on the second section you have who can see that you're online. And then you want to go to show activity status. If it's turned on, you basically want to turn this off. Then what it does is it's going to allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last online or are currently active on the Instagram apps. And when you turn it off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. So once you do that, you basically have now turned off the activity status on Instagram, meaning that you will be no longer shown as online. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.